Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your LinkedIn profile media using iCloud shared album, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Open your LinkedIn app on your device. Log into your LinkedIn account by entering your credentials.
Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or icon.
Scroll down to the featured section where your media is located. Select the media item you wish to backup. Tap on the media to open it.
Once the media is open, look for the share icon, typically represented by an upward arrow. Tap on the share icon to see sharing options.
Choose the option to share via iCloud. If prompted, select Add to Shared Album.
You may need to create a new shared album if you haven't yet.
To create a new album, tap on New Album. Name your album appropriately for easy identification. Select the media you wish to add to the album. Tap Done to finish creating the album. Your selected media will begin uploading to the shared album.
Repeat the previous steps for any additional media items you want to backup. Once all items are uploaded, navigate to the Photos app on your device.
Open the Albums tab and find your newly created shared album. Ensure all media is present in the shared album for backup. You can now access your backed up LinkedIn profile media anytime via iCloud.
Remember to regularly check and update your shared album as you make changes to your LinkedIn profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.